In front of me is Motorola S50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. All you need to do is hold your device's display and click on one of those themes to apply the best one. Then click on any area of your screen that's not this pop-up. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you want to, you can also hold your device's display and click on personalize at the bottom to adjust all of those options of your theme. Then go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!